I was driving the other day and I was really stuck in my head. It was so incredibly draining. I was completely lost in my mind and didn't notice until the car in front of me stopped abruptly. I stop and then I look to my right and there is this sign on the window that says 3B's Restaurant. I wrote a book called The Diamond Process, and woven in between every chapter is something called 3B's. Shine time is what I call this meditation, and I'm going to share it with you now because it's something that can snap you out of stress, out of overthinking in an instant, and I use it several times a day. The 3B's are the easiest path to finding peace instantly. You can use this anytime, right before you want to make a video or go into a meeting, or you just want to feel centered and enjoy your day, enjoy the moment. This is how you can turn on peace like a light switch and come into your true nature. Even as I'm walking, we can do this. Let's take a deep breath. First B, breath. Deep belly breath. You can even place one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Just notice your body breathing and exaggerate the breath. Let it go deeper. And as you are breathing here, I want you to bring some awareness, body awareness. Second B, body awareness to your belly, to your heart, to your whole body. Just start to tune in and let your body know that you're paying attention to it, that you're present with it, that you're here and you're not leaving into overthinking. You're actually present with your body. So you can even whisper to your body, I'm here with you and I'm not leaving. I've got you. You can press your hands more firmly into your body and just really become aware of what you're feeling physically, emotionally, what your body is communicating without needing to change it or fix it. All we're doing here is becoming aware of our body's communication. And whatever you're feeling in your body, I encourage you to actually let it expand. So staying with your breath, staying present with your body. And maybe there's an emotion or a feeling you've been having that you've been trying to get rid of, and you've been suffering as a result. Well, now you know how to resolve that. Instead of pushing it away, what you're feeling, you can simply tune in and ask yourself, what do I feel? And where do I feel it physically? I feel sadness in my lungs, or anxiety in my belly, or deep joy in my back of my neck. Like, it could be anything. Let the feeling expand. Maybe you feel anger, hopelessness. Whatever the feeling is, it's not who you are. It is a weather pattern moving through your body that is simply needing your midwifery to pass through, if that makes sense. When we push what we're feeling away into overthinking, it just stores it in the body and it doesn't get a chance to move. So by being present with your body and being present with what you feel, breathing, that emotion is being given permission to expand, to have its full experience. And emotion is energy in motion, so on its own, it will move when it's time. It's not about having it move or go away. It's just breathing, body awareness. And now the third B is brow center. So there's nothing to do here. We're not trying to fix or solve a problem. We're just basking in this delicious moment and landing in our bodies and in our breath. This third B, with your eyes closed, obviously don't do this if you're driving or something. With your eyes closed, turning your vision to the brow center, the space right between the brows, or if that's uncomfortable, the bridge of the nose. Staying with your breath. connected with your body, letting what comes come, letting what goes go. Here, present, aware. You are the witness of it all, aware of everything and attached to nothing. What this does when your eyes are turned upward or to the intuition center, the brow center, it's just giving a focal point. And oftentimes, when our eyes fall softly on one still point, and you can even do this with your eyes open, staring at a flame or a flower, something that's still. You'll start to come out of the story into the still point in your mind, and you'll be able to see the thoughts. The thoughts aren't a problem. They're going to come, they're going to go. It doesn't matter. It has nothing to do with you. It's not about stopping thought. It would be like me standing here going, stop the wind, stop the birds chirping, stop the movement. I let it be. And I know who I am. I'm the one who's witnessing it all. But if I think I'm the wind, or I think I'm the car driving by, or I think I'm the noise, I'm going to be suffering a lot. Because that is constantly changing. And in a world that's constantly changing, this practice is going to connect us with what does not change. It's what I call the diamond self. Diamond means unbreakable. It's this presence, this light within. And if you want peace and you've been seeking it outside of you and suffering as a result, expecting a certain dynamic with a person or a job or a financial reward or whatever it is out there to stay permanent and stay the same so that you can feel safe, that is a path to suffering. That is 100% guaranteed to ensure suffering. It doesn't mean that we can't enjoy beautiful, healthy relationships and wealth and just incredible experiences and know that that too shall pass eventually. And there's so much beauty in it. It's like this life is set up. This life is set up for us to wake up. So it gives us this endless motion and we think I got it, I feel so good now, I'm here, I've landed, I'll be here forever. And then the mood changes. Or, oh my God, I'm in this perfect dynamic with my partner, and oh my God, this is bliss, this is heaven forever, we're gonna be here. And then it changes. The weather, oh my God, this blue sky, if it could stay like this forever, I will be so happy. And then it changes. Night falls, storms come, but you know what does not change? This is the generosity of who we are, of the universe, of the endless change that states keep changing, everything keeps changing. This is generosity from the nothingness from which we came, from the source, from the universe, from God, from the loving intelligence, whatever you want to call it. And you might be going, how is that generosity? I just want stability. I just want security. I just want peace. I just want predictability. I want certainty. You have certainty. We all have certainty. We know that everything's changing constantly. And we know for certain that there is something that never, ever changes. Never changes. And it's what the yogis, the mystics, the masters have been pointing us to for eons. And there's a reason. It's timeless and it doesn't go out of fashion or it doesn't go out of truth. It doesn't ever become false. It's because it is the real. It is what we are being guided to. I just had this awakening recently on a level that really blew my mind. I mean, I was in so much suffering and pain. And I realized, oh my God, boom, it was like a light switch. Life is constantly changing out there. to ensure that I wake up to what does not change. What doesn't change is the one who is looking, the presence behind the personality, the expansiveness, the diamond self, whatever you want to call, the one who has been aware of every moment of your life, regardless of your age, your location, your status, your health. There is a perception, a perceiver inside that's neutral, that's always here. There's not even a word to describe it. But what I'm sharing here is the 3 Bs are a way to remember and to find certainty so that you can enjoy your life and you can actually enjoy the adventure of change rather than try to control it and fight it and become brittle in the process of fighting against the inevitability of expansion, change, evolution. So I am hiking and enjoying this beautiful place and was practicing the 3 Bs. And then I thought, I should share this with my tribe, with my friends, with you. So I hope this serves you. You can slip it in your back pocket. 3 Bs, breath, body awareness, brow center. Dial in those 3 levels. Boom, 2 minutes every couple hours, and you'll just keep coming home until you're just home. And like I was lost in the car, driving, and I was lost in my mind. Boom, life is so generous. That car stopped suddenly. Boom, it said 3 Bs right next to me. These are the miracles, right? So it's like, take your own medicine, V. Like, practice what you preach. Read your own book. Like, practice it. So life is constantly kissing us on the forehead and saying, sweetheart, I know this dimension is challenging and you are a champion and you're here for great things. And more than anything, you're here to awaken into the infinite truth of who we are. So I hope this helps in some way. This channel is all about raising your frequency, your vibration, your confidence, so that you can be visible and share your gifts, helping others do what you want to do, create the life you want to create. And it really is an inside job. 80% is energy, 20% is strategy. So I will forever remind you and help you to hone your vibration and your energy, because it's everything. And the beautiful thing is we have complete dominion over our energy. We have that power. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe. If you received something from this video, give it a thumbs up. Ding, ding, ding. And if you want further support, you can grab my free workshop to help you go very deep with commanding your frequency, raising your vibration and your confidence. You will love it. And there's actually an audio, a 5-minute audio of the 3 Bs that you can slip in your back pocket. You can grab all of that below. It's free, my gift to you. All right, my loves, I will see you in the next video. Mwah.